Welcome back, heroes of celebration. If you're planning a Marvel-themed party, you're in for an epic adventure. From Spider-Man to Iron Man, the Marvel Universe offers endless inspiration. And today, we're diving into powerful decoration ideas to transform your space. Whether it's for a birthday, a kid's bash, or just a superhero fan gathering, this video is your ultimate guide to Marvel-style decorations that pop. We'll cover everything from backdrops to table setups and fun props. So get ready to channel your inner Avenger and assemble a legendary event. Let's power up and start the Marvel magic right now. What's a great backdrop idea for a Marvel party? A city skyline backdrop with Avengers silhouettes always steals the show. Add comic-style boom, and bam, signs to boost that superhero feel. You can also mix in character posters or hanging shield cutouts for depth. Use string lights or LED strips for a high-energy effect around the edges. Choose one hero theme or mash them all for an Avengers-style impact. Don't forget balloons in red, blue, and gold for that Marvel punch. Backdrops set the mood, so start strong and let your guests feel the thrill. How to decorate the table for a Marvel theme. Use tablecloths in Marvel colors, red, blue, black, and metallics. Add themed plates, cups, and napkins with superhero logos. Centerpieces can be mini action figures or stacked comic books. Label snacks with fun names like Hulk Smash Popcorn or Thor's Hammers. Use cake stands with hero symbols for cupcakes or treats. Scatter confetti stars or small shields across the table for sparkle. Keep it bold and fun. The table is where the action happens. Want your food table to look like a Marvel movie scene? You got this. What about hanging decorations? Hang paper lanterns painted like Spider-Man, Captain America, and Iron Man. Use ceiling swirls with symbols like hammers, shields, and webs. You can also hang comic pages as banners for a vintage feel. Try attaching cutout fists or masks to floating balloons for fun. Hang string lights and zigzags for energy like Tony Stark's arc reactor. Ceiling decor adds drama and keeps the theme immersive. Even a few well-placed items can change the whole vibe. What can I do for an entrance setup? Create a hero headquarters arch using balloons and cardboard. Place a welcome sign like you're entering Avengers HQ. Add life-size cutouts of popular heroes for photo ops right at the door. Use red carpet or even a printed floor runner for guests to walk on. A fog machine or light beams can make the entrance more thrilling. Start strong so the excitement builds the moment they arrive. First impressions matter, even for superheroes. Want your guests to feel like they're entering a Marvel movie? Let's roll it out. Any fun ideas for photo booths? Set up a booth with a comic-style background and, quote, bubbles. Add props like Thor's hammer, Hulk hands, and Iron Man masks. You can even create wanted frames with different hero names. Use LED signs that say Super Squad or Hero Time. Place a few stools or crates for dynamic posing. Kids and adults alike love to snap fun superhero shots. Capture the magic. It'll be remembered long after the party ends. How do I decorate the cake area? Place the cake on a themed table with hero props all around. Use a backdrop featuring your birthday hero's symbol or name. LED lights or fairy lights under the cake can give it a glow. Add action figures on the cake or around it for storytelling. Even cake toppers with custom names or slogans look amazing. Decorate the cake table like it's a spotlight moment. Make it worthy of a Marvel finale scene. Want the cake to be a showstopper? Center it in superhero style. What lighting can I use for a Marvel theme? Use red and blue LED bulbs to create a hero-style color wash. Projector lights can flash comic graphics or symbols onto walls. You can even buy shield-shaped string lights for a fun touch. Glow sticks and vases work great as centerpieces or pathway lights. Use under-table lighting to make decor float magically. The right lights make the room feel like a comic book come alive. Even simple lights can create a high-energy hero vibe. How can I include interactive decor? Make a pick your hero wall with masks or capes guests can wear. Create a mini obstacle course or hero training station for kids. Add a spin the wheel challenge with Marvel trivia or dares. Use speech bubbles or quote signs around the venue for guests to hold. Put up a wall where guests can write their super name or powers. Interactive decor makes the party memorable and personal. Bring Marvel to life through fun participation. Want your guests to be the heroes, not just see them? Go interactive. What can I do for kids' party favors in Marvel style? Marvel-themed party favors are always a hit with little heroes. Include items like mini masks, stickers, keychains, or glow bracelets. You can also pack candies in small hero-themed bags or boxes. Temporary tattoos of symbols or characters are fun and safe. For a creative touch, add a superhero certificate with each bag. Favor bags can match your main party colors and theme. It's a small detail that leaves a big impression on kids. Want to send your guests home smiling? Power up those goodie bags. With the right ideas, a Marvel-themed party can be truly legendary. From explosive backdrops to heroic tablescapes, each detail adds to the unforgettable atmosphere. Whether it's Spider-Man swinging in or Captain Marvel glowing bright, Marvel decor is bold, vibrant, and full of adventure. You don't need superpowers, just a spark of creativity. Even simple touches can create that cinematic magic. So, assemble your ideas and plan the ultimate hero gathering. Make your party a scene straight out of the Marvel universe. Enjoyed these Marvel decoration ideas? Then don't forget to smash that like button, Hulk style. Drop your favorite superhero in the comments below. Let us know which idea you'll try at your next event. And if you've hosted a Marvel party before, share your top tip. Every comment helps inspire other party heroes. Subscribe for more fun and creative party content. And we'll catch you in the next celebration adventure.